Hi there mga beloved friends, soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na abangan sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Sige po, ang ating pong reading ngayon pagsasamahan ay isang reading po for April 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Gemini. Okay, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great, you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po ang ating mga readings, at di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. At kapag napapanood niyo po ito sa ating TikTok account, ay paki-follow na rin po, and of course, paki-comment. If you want to avail of personal reading, mag-send lang po kayo ng message sa ating Renzo Tarot 444 TikTok account. An important notice po, hindi po ako yung una magchat-chat sa inyo para mag-offer ng personal reading. Marami pong mga scammer ngayon, maraming manloloko na nag-offer ng, personal reading at hindi po kayo sisiputin. So may mga nanggagaya po ng ating page and meron na rin pong nag-re-upload ang videos natin. That's why doble ingat po kayo ngayon. Okay, doon po kayo sa legit po na Renzo Tarot 444. We have now almost 6K followers. Okay? Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Kunin na natin yung isang pong baraha Gemini para sa yung April 2026 reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, and cards please, Saint Michael. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, 10 cards please for Gemini. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi niyo po piniiwan. Thank you so much po. Saan man po tayo makarating in the future, what will be the success ng channel na ito ay utang na loob ko po ito sa inyo sapagkat kung wala kayo mga pinakamahal kong soulmates ay wala pong manonood sa ating mga videos. Thank you so much po. Okay? Gemini, your 10 cards are now ready. Huwag na natin pagpatagalin ito. First card mo is Hierophant. By April 2026, Gemini, whatever manifestations you have, whatever prayers, I can see here, we have 9 cards na nakataob pa. But I can feel a very good energy here that you, whatever manifestations you have, at least you can see a good result with it. Okay? So, unti-unti mo makikita yung mga signs and, synchronicities and everything with the Hierophant card na at least you are near or kumbaga close na kayo doon sa pinapangarap nyo talaga. It's like kumbaga unti-unti yung nakikita yung mga liwanag. Not totally, it's like I cannot guarantee pa kasi may nakataob pa tayong cards, but I can feel a very good energy that by April 2026 Gemini, merong magandang improvement or bunga ang iyong mga pinagharapan tungkol sa mga bagay na talagang tinatrabaho mo. Okay? Oh, eto na. Pag anong baraha pa lang, I can say now, there will be wishes to be that will be granted. Sorry. May mga wish, may mga panalangin at matutupad, merong mga kahilingan, whatever is that. Maybe you're waiting for a result of an exam, promotion, visa approval. Although medyo magulo ang ating mundo ngayon. But still expect good news by April 2026. Maybe you're waiting for a long time about salary increase, promotion, back pay, or whatever movement. Good news. So, Gemini, by April 2026, it will be a very favorable month for you with the Ace of Cups. So, claim mo na to and I know that it will make you so happy and you are going to celebrate with this day. Okay? So, wow! Pangalawang baraha, sinagot agad tayo. Sabi ko kanina, hindi pa ako sure. I can't guarantee pa, but kita mo, sinagot agad tayo ng Ace of Cups. Okay? Wow! Ace of Swords, new beginning. Okay, ito pangatlong card na to, pangalawang backup card na talagang nagsasabi, Gemini, that you are going to experience a very good month of April. Ace of Swords, new beginning. There is an opportunity na magbubukas para sa inyo. May tulong na parating, may isang bagong milestone na magbubukas para sa inyo that you are going to consider. With the Ace of Swords, expect, Gemini, that your life will be very good by April 2026. No worries, no stress. This will be a very smooth month for you. So just focus on your goals, just focus on your job, be happy, be contented. Okay, be honest and work hard so everything will follow. With the Ace of Swords, so you are guaranteed that something new, something fresh is about to open for you. Pang-apat, oh my God. Wow. Celebration. Come on. Big celebration is coming on your way. Gemini, claim mo nito by May 2020. Ay, sorry, May. April. Ang bilis, advance agad. April 2026, there's something big, milestone that you're going to celebrate. You will be so happy about this thing. So, talagang you truly deserve this. Matagal mong inantay to, matagal mong pinaghirapan to. Hindi ka nakatulog ng maayos dito, pinaglaban mo. Maraming betrayals, maraming mga taong hindi naniwala sa'yo, pinagtawanan ka. But here you are, by April 2026, this will be the culmination of everything. People around you will realize na tama ka. Okay? Na talaga at the end, ikaw pa rin. Nasa'yo pa rin ang huling halakhak, Gemini. April 2026, you are going to celebrate something extraordinary. Something big, milestone that you've been waiting and dreaming for a long time. Wow. Amazing. Ang lima mong baraha, Gemini, para sa April 2026. Expect good news. May paparating, check mo email mo, i-check mo yung inboxes mo, messages, or whatever media platforms na makaka-receive ka ng message. This will be very fast. Sa April 2026, merong mga offers, merong mga, why don't you try this one? Merong mag-reach out sa'yo regarding about your crafts, your skills, whatever, kung ano mga ginagawa mo, kung saan ka magaling, whatever products you have, whatever your job na ino-offer, whatever services na ino-offer mo. So expect may mga taong mag-i-inquire, may mga magiging interesado about that kasi nandito yung three of pyramids in the background that signifies your dreams, your goals, and ambitions in life. So, hindi man madali na maabot ang lahat, but still, April 2026, you can see progress. It will start by receiving a lot of messages, a lot of inquiries, interest about that craft and skills that you have. So, Gemini, continue to do a good job, improve it, and April 2026, sinasabi ko nga sa paulit-ulit, this will be a very extraordinary month for you. Okay, so before we proceed to our last 5 cards, ulitin ko po, please do subscribe po para mabilis po nating ma-reach ang 100k sa YouTube, and of course, kapag napapanood niyo po ito sa ating TikTok account, please follow na rin po, 6k. Thank you so much po. 1 month pa lang po tayo, na-reach na po natin ang 6k followers milestone sa TikTok. If you want to avail a personal reading, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-send a message. And of course, please, doble ingat po sa mga gaya-gaya. I'm not offering kumbaga hindi ako yung una mag-chat po sa inyo. Kayo po yung una mag-chat sa akin, nandun lang po kayo sa legit. Marami pong manloloko ngayon. Okay? So, let's continue. April 2026 for Gemini, we have here the Queen of Cups. April 2026, kasabayan ng pag-focus mo sa pagpapalago ng yung career, ng yung pera, or whatever is kailangan mo maging observant, kailangan mo maging mapagmatsyag, maging matalino sa lahat ng ginagawa mo or gagawin mo sa buhay. Huwag masyadong magtitiwala sa mga taong lalapit sa inyo. Maybe it's too good to be true. They are so good in speaking, magaling magsalita, matatamis ang dila, Gemini. But kailangan mong samahan ito ng pag-iingat or doble, extra cautious. Being extra cautious. Kasi mahirap na ang panahon ngayon. Ang hirap ng buhay, kaya doble kayo din ng mga manloloko, mga scammers. So, lamang ang may alam, lamang ang nag-research at kumbaga hindi basta-basta masisway or manloloko. Pampito, Gemini. Wow! Amazing. You have the Sun card here. Sun card signifies hope. It signifies good news, good result, blessings, happiness. Oh, it's amazing card. Gemini, wala na akong dapat pang patunayan palubas ng Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, celebration. Claim mo ito. April 2026 will be a very, very fruitful, very productive, a month of happiness for you. Claim mo na ito. This is an extraordinary month. Kumbaga, isa ito sa pinaka magandang buwan na talagang mararanasan mo sa buhay mo. Okay? Expect more blessings to come, more opportunities to come, expect more good news to come. So, claim mo na ito, Gemini. Okay? Takes what all resonates, ha? King of Cups, stability. So, expect na maging maganda yung katayuan mo in terms of your career, sa trabaho mo, no problem at all. I can see your promotion pa, stability. So, with a King of Cups, kasapat niyang Ace of Swords, whatever new venture na papasukin mo, whatever new plans na gusto mong gawin, o gusto mo, new opportunities na mabubukas para sa'yo, with the King of Cups, it will yield a positive result. So, stability with a King of Cups here, kasunod niya pa ang Sun. So, good news, good result. You don't need to worry. No stress. I-claim mo na ito. Itiwala mo ito sa universe. Ipobaya mo na ang lahat sa Panginoon. Everything will follow. Everything will fall into place for you, Gemini. Pangsyamong baraha sa April 2026 reading mo. Hermit, there will be clarity. Magiging malinaw ang lahat para sa iyo sa April 2026. Kung lately medyo magulo, medyo hindi pa maliwanag ang lahat ng bagay para sa iyo. Undecided ka pa sa mga bagay na gagawin mo, is because, you're waiting for signs, you're waiting for opinions and clarity. But April 2026, everything will be clear. Kumbaga, you will realize, okay, that's why it happened, because ganit, buti na lang, ginawa ko to, buti na lang, hindi ko tinuloy. So, ngayon, dahil may kakaroon ng clarity, dyan ka makakapag-come up, dyan ka makakapag-formulate ng the best decision na gagawin mo. Okay, regarding with the new opportunities that will be opening on your door, kung tatanggapin mo ito, kung alin ba dyan ang mas maganda, alin ba ang mas advantageous para sa'yo. So, Gemini, April 2026, there will be clarity for you. Hindi lang sa career, sa pera, sa love life, everything will be so clear. Okay? Transparent. Walang may tatago. Lahat ay malalahan. Okay? With that thing, it will be magandang matutulong nito sa'yo kasi Gemini, magiging maliwanag, magiging malinaw ang lahat para sa'yo. Mag-guide ka. Okay? There will be guidance for you. Then, ang last card mo. Tapusin natin tong April 2026 mong reading, Gemini, with the Strength card. Hold on. Hold on to your dreams. Be courageous. Huwag kang matakot. Lakasan mong loob mo. With the Strength card here, the universe will be giving you the wisdom, the strength, the enough strength para magpatuloy sa buhay. Walang ibang tutulong sa'yo kundi sarili mo. Huwag mong kalabanin ang sarili mong galing at talino at kakayahan. Okay? So, I know, Gemini, that you're very smart. You're very talented. With the Strength card here, samahan mo ito ng lakas ng loob. Tapang. Huwag kang magpatalo sa kung ano man. Okay, just continue. Focus on your goal. Continue moving forward. Sabi ko nga, with the beautiful cards that we have here on the table, Sun, King of Cups, Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, Celebration card. The bottom line here is happiness, contentment, victory, success comes April 2026 para sa iyo, Gemini. I hope and pray na marami na sa sign ng Gemini makaparito ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Mga pinamahal kong soulmates sa Gemini. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita, naman ginagawa nyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.